In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create invoice in Zoho CRM. We'll start from the home area, move into the inventory module, open the invoices section, and then create a brand new invoice by filling in the key details and saving your work. I'll walk you through what each area means so you're confident about the information you add. Begin on the home page of Zoho CRM. If you've just signed in, this is usually where you'll land. Make sure you have the right permissions to access inventory and billing features. If your screen is busy with dashboards or widgets, that's fine. What matters is that you can navigate to the modules menu from here. Next, open the inventory module. This is where Zoho CRM groups everything related to products and sales documents. Depending on your layout, you'll find inventory in the main navigation bar or within the modules panel. If you don't see it immediately, look for a More menu or use the search bar to find Inventory. Inside Inventory, you'll have access to items such as products, quotes, sales orders, and most importantly for today, invoices. From within Inventory, choose Invoices. This takes you to the invoice list view where you can see all existing invoices, filter by status, or search for a specific record. It's helpful to glance at this list to confirm whether an invoice already exists for your customer before you create a new one. Now, create a new invoice. Click Create Invoice and you'll open the invoice form. Start by selecting the customer, which may be listed as an account or a contact, depending on your setup. Once chosen, billing and shipping addresses may autofill from the customer record. Review them and make any necessary updates. Set the invoice date and the due date to match your payment terms. Choose the appropriate currency and tax settings, especially if you operate in multiple regions. Add your line items by selecting products or services from your catalog. For each line, confirm quantity, rate, tax, and any line level discount. Keep an eye on the subtotal and tax totals as you go to ensure accuracy. If you offer a global discount or need to add shipping or handling charges, fill those in as well. Use the description, terms, and notes fields to clarify deliverables, return policies, or reference numbers. Clear notes reduce back and forth with your customer. Before saving, scan the totals, verify that taxes and rounding appear correctly, and double-check the customer details. When everything looks right, click Save. Your invoice is now created and visible in the invoices list and its own detailed record view. That's it. Fast, accurate, and ready for your billing workflow.